You missed
It
the
means the black pepper, the red pepper, and the white pepper are all the same plant.
Yeah, we are talking about
How's that?
pepper needle.
Repeat.
That's good.
Not
Take three.
pepper.
Red pepper, black pepper, white pepper, green pepper, yellow
Pink.
pepper, maroon pepper,
Y organic
purple
pepper.
pepper.
The organic pepper is the same.
The same pepper.
Okay. Ok, es importante, amigos, vea, si le vemos acá, ella es una enredadera.
As this is a climber,
Entonces estas
we can find
raícitas
roots.
lo que hacen es que cuando tocan aquí en el árbol, lo que hacen es adherirse al árbol.
Of
nada
course,
más.
they get attached to the trunk of the tree.
So what tree is it?
Este es,
So
Corozo.
they just put posts in the ground.
Yes, and they grow.
And
mira,
This
mira.
is the one that grows vegetatively.
no, so
Erythrina.
the post is a pepper, or the post is something else.
No, it's something else. It's
Okay.
remember the kind of tree that I mentioned we grow into
Yes.
the coffee fields and
Yes,
so on?
yes.
It's the same. They just cut a branch like that
Right.
and stick it in the ground and it will grow.
Grow some roots and then just put it in.
So, in order to start a new plant, you can order do it with a seed, but it will take long for them to produce. So, as they produce the roots at any point along the plant, what they do is that they stimulate some to develop stronger roots. All right, and when they are ready, they cut it and they plant it.
It's called layering. Layering.
Layering, layering. Okay, a new word. Layering.
Layering. L-A-Y-E-R-I-N-G.
Como es como apodo, llamaremos.
Ajá, acodo. Ok, ahora entonces nada.
Claro que sí. Ahora me recuerda nada
Yeah,
más
then they
para-
cut it off.
Established
So
as new
that causes those little roots to grow out,
Mira,
Right.
and then they
Is
cut
that-
it off
is
and
that
plant it.
It's dark. Is that
vanilla,
It's
we
mostly-
grow the plant